Alright, so what I got going on right now is replace this entire dolly assembly because that doesn't work. So if you look at these legs, look at this leg right here, look at that one. Very, very off, right? That's because this one got slammed on something and that one didn't. And it jammed that one up. So this rotates right here. It brings the dolly legs up and down. And whatever happened, it jammed it up. This dolly leg no longer rotates, and for some reason that one's broken too. All right, so we're gonna replace that one. So I won't replace the K-brace. K-brace looks just fine, so I'm gonna replace both dolly legs. Let's get to it. Whew. All right, so I just got done. What's going on? All right, this is the new the new legs up here. And all I gotta do left is put the crank handle back on. Then we're good to go. All right, I just turned the truck on. And we got movement. There we go. See it? It's going down. This mission successful. Oh, come on, turn. Anyway, I get that all lubed up and we'll be all good. Thanks for watching.